Yellow versus black. Yellow versus black. Yellow versus black. Okay guys, may 5 minutes na lang ang ating black team. Yes po, potang kaya pa po may kumpletong hanggang 12 din natin pong ma-DQ. Ayun na, kumpleto na po sila. Ready guys?
Your team is banning.
Okay
Sir,
guys, ang first
your
ban natin
team
ay
is
Pai.
banning.
Hopple and Koopa
Your
are
team
the best
is banning.
partners in the world.
Ang ban ng ay Popolen ko pa.
Your team
Still
is
source.
banning.
Run deep.
Come on!
Your team
Let's
is picking.
roll!
Okay, second ban Ling and second ban to the other side is Johnson.
Your team is
Okay,
picking.
our
Want to make
first trick
friends
is
with
Nana.
Nana?
Time and tide wait for no man, nor girl.
Your team
From
is
the yellow
picking.
team,
Thorns remain.
first pick
should
is
petals
Lancelot
fall.
and second pick is Beatrix.
It's my job to protect America.
Hello, my friend.
Your team is picking.
Okay, from the black side, ang second pick nila ay Zoed at third pick ay Yestes. Ipipick kaya niya to, itong Louie na to.
Gaze the stars and
At
see
ayun
Your
na, ang
team
third pick
is
ng ating
banning.
yellow team ay Louie.
Your team is
Fun is all
banning.
that matters.
Ang third ban ng ating yellow is
Where is my
Your
target?
team is
at sa black
picking.
side, ang kanilang third ban ay Natalia. Mukhang ano to guys, Core Jowed yata guys.
Your team is picking.
Ang fourth pick ng ating yellow team ay Tigreal. Kinuha na po nila ang kanilang tank.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
I rap, therefore I am.
Your team is
Okay,
picking.
from the black side naman ay ang kanilang fourth pick ay Mia at ang kanilang last pick ay Chu. Tingnan nga natin kung anong last pick ng yellow team.
Woohoo! Set me on fire and I'll blaze through the battle.
Okay, ang last pick ng yellow team ay X-Borg. Okay, this is Dayang Kapampangan ML Tournament 3rd Edition. May rules nga pala tayo dito is no Lord. Tapusan lang ng base, walang Lord guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Okay, this is Dayang Kapampangan ML
5
Tournament 3rd
seconds till the
Edition.
enemy reaches the battlefield.
Black
Smash
versus
them!
yellow.
All troops deployed!
Ngayon, pakilala muna natin ang ating mga player. From Nana, we have Ricao 26. Ako si Totay, Jowed, Jelay, Estes, Mia as God's Child, Jazz as Stu. From the yellow side naman, meron tayong Lancelot from Mon, ang ating Beatrix, ang Louis, ang Scramble Egg, at Tigreal, di ko alam. Tapos ang last pick ay XBB Saka Panin. Mabibigyan ng ating Joey dito guys.
First blood!
Mga sinasabi. Tamang pang ng ating mga drone jungle. Bagong meta na naman ang pinapakita ng ating black side dito dahil jungle Jowed sa kanila guys. Okay, mukhang merong magka-mini bomba dito sa ilalim guys. Wala. Turtle respawn na tayo guys.
Red team has slain the turtle.
Okay, ang yapin nila ito na one na
Blue team hero has been slain.
Okay guys. Mukhang mamamatay pa yata ang ating hindi.
Red team
Ayun.
hero has
Okay.
been slain. Blue team hero has been slain.
Maganda ang pinapakita ng ating SS dito guys sa kanyang pag-heal sa kanyang kampi. Shoutout sa 5 viewers natin guys. Okay, mukhang meron mangyayari sa ating bot. Mukhang merong magagawang bakbakan dito sa ilalim guys. Hoy, wala. Set sa hangin ng ating Tigreal.
Red team has slain the turtle.
Okay guys, item check muna tayo guys. Tayo na balang tumingin guys.
Blue team hero has been
Boy, wala
slain.
off cam. Yun. Boy, kinain. Okay.
Blue team hero has been slain. Blue team hero has been slain. Red team hero has been slain. Blue team turret has been destroyed.
Magandang pinapakita ng ating yellow team ngayon guys. Hoy! Hoy!
Kill!
What a dash play coming from our Lancelot. Paalala lang po na walang Lord po No Lord po tayo dito. Shoutout Zira Jane. Napakasakit naman ng Lancelot na yan. Okay. Okay, mukhang merong mangyayaring big fight dito sa turtle lane guys. Oh, what a shot coming from our team by combo.
Blue team turret has been destroyed. Blue team hero
niyan,
has been
Dolo.
slain. Hero has been slain. Red team has slain the turtle.
3-2 nating from yellow team guys. Magandang pinapakita ng ating yellow side dito guys. Pinasukan pa nga. Napanggaling naman ng ating dito guys.
Red team turret has been destroyed. Blue team hero has been slain.
Okay.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
naman ng Beatrix na yan.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
Sabi ng Xbox, trabaho lang. Kahit yan check.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
Paklit tayo ng play dito guys. Yan, nag-TP na naman sila ha.
Monster kill!
Oh! What up, Cam Kill? Coming from Beatrix. Oy. Once again, this is na yung Kapampangan ML Tournament 3rd Edition.
Blue team base turret has been destroyed.
Oy! Para bigger by RTG. Ngunit, sa hangin naman!
Double kill!
Mukhang tatapos na yata dito guys.
Triple kill!
Oy, maramingak. Ang sabi ko ba, ibibigay ba? Ibibigay, ngunit hindi na shutdown. Ang gagawin ng dalog nun. Ang dami daw, sabi ng Lancelot guys.
Blue team base turret has been destroyed.
Ay.
Blue team base turret has been
Killing
destroyed.
spree!
Magandang pinapakita ng mga ayun dito guys.
Mega kill! Double kill!
Red team hero has been slain.
Mukhang tinatapos na ng ating Beatrix ngayon. Okay guys. Doon na nagtatapos ang ating serye. Yellow wins the game. Congrats,
Victory!
congrats. Doon na nagtatapos ang ating serye. Oh, ang MVP natin sa larong to, walang iba kundi si Beatrix 704. Okay. Stay tuned lang kayo guys. Meron pa tayong second game, third game.